Hey yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're not doing yoga. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my leg/glutes routine workout I usually do at the gym, and I'm starting off with this leg press. Although you can see I turned to face the machine instead of backing it, so this variation of the leg press actually targets the glutes, especially the gluteus maximus. And as you can see, as I try to go down in the squat, when I lift, I'm squeezing the glutes together. Now guys, this gives you a very good burn, not just around your glutes but also around your quads and a little bit of your hamstring. So guys, if you want to try it, you should go ahead and try it. Now this second one is when I turn and do the leg press proper, and for this particular one I usually feel it more on my quads. But at the beginning, when I'm warming up, I don't want to go all in, but once I get comfortable, I try to go as low as I can so that my legs are a bit warmed up. Now guys, this is what really helped me to define and tone my quads. I've always been somebody that had, some thick thighs, but like it was not really toned, but this actually helped me. Now this other one is this squat variation where my legs are not apart. And guys, when I tell you, this one is a total burner, and you should definitely try it if you're trying to strengthen your legs and your calves. Now guys, one thing I like about this squat variation is the fact that it feels like my knees are so supported. So guys, when your knees are supported properly, you can go as low as you can. Guys, it really does hit the legs, especially the quads and a little bit of the hamstrings and also the glutes, but not so much as the other leg press machine. If you're somebody who is just starting out, then I advise you to start with little or your body weight. Now guys, this sumo squat is the one that actually does most of it. Now the sumo squat is so intense that for every single time you're squatting, you're feeling it in places that actually hits and targets your legs and your quads. The sumo squat is exactly how I was able to increase my glutes and also tone them, and it's been something that I've been practicing on my leg days, and the results have been massive. And with just little consistency, you can also add more. And I'm just going to add this leg coil. As you can see, I couldn't really get much because it was so painful. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and bye.